Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those guys and you're trying to find the fuse for the sound amplifier on your Dodge Challenger, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. If you guys still have problems with no sound or radio not working, we'll talk about that as we go, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge Challenger. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, okay, we need to open the hood. Most people will actually guys check in that fuse box right here, okay, but that fuse for the sound amplifier, it's not there. It's actually in the trunk. So we're going to show you now. This Dodge, it was in a little bit of an accident. We'll be rebuilding it soon guys. But if you have no sound, radio doesn't work, anything like that, okay, we will guys show you where that fuse is located. We'll have special video about why you have no sound and why radio doesn't work on Dodge Challenger, and it will teach you how to diagnose the problem. So we'll open the trunk. We recommend to always turn the ignition switch off when you're working there. And when you do that guys, right here, check this thing out. You will guys have a fuse box right there. Usually you will have that cover installed like that, okay, and the only thing that you need to press is that thing here towards the back, pull up just like that. Now let's talk about the fuses. Why it's super important to test fuses and relays, because it's not clear sometimes if the fuses are burned. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that, and if you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, but it's a bad fuse, you spend time and money, okay, on other parts that you don't need. So all you had to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad, or a relay and find out that it's bad. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, so check it out. The fuse guys that we need to check in our case, okay, that fuse, okay, will be right here, fuse number 25, fourth fuse from right to left, 1 2 3 4, right here. This little fuse is the one, okay, that we will need to check guys, right there. So that fuse, you get it and you pull it out, okay. And if you still have problems with no sound or radio not working, we have special video that will teach you, okay, how to diagnose that. So check it out, it will be on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.